Good morning, student. Welcome back in this class. Today we are with one of the most important topic of class 9 science, that is the equations of motion. Under the previous session, we have completed the concept of the derivation of the first equation of motion, that is the v equal to u plus at, and second equation of motion, that is the s equal to ut plus half at square by the graphical method. In this video, we will discuss about the derivation of the third equation of motion, that is the v square equal to u square plus 2s. So now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the velocity time graph, then the derivation of the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2s. So here is suppose that velocity time graph we will draw here. We know that the velocity time graph, here is the velocity time graph, and time represent to the horizontal line and velocity represent to the vertical line. So here is the time and vertical line, that is the velocity. Suppose that if any object, its initial velocity on the point A, initial velocity on point A, that is u, and after t time, the distance traveled by the object here, after t time, the distance traveled by the object and the moving object velocity will be changed in the form of the final velocity, and the point on B here, point on B, the final velocity V on the point B, and that is the C and B. It is clear that this is the velocity time graph, and horizontal line represents to the time and vertical line represents, that is the velocity. So let us consider the initial velocity of moving object on the point A, that is the u. After t time, the object, the velocity of the object will be changed in the form of final velocity v on the point B. Then it accelerated in the uniform motion. Uniform, here is the uniform acceleration we produce, that is the initial velocity on the point A. It is clear that initial velocity initial velocity on the point A, that is, it is clear that OA equal to initial velocity OA equal to u, and the final velocity on the point B, that is the V. It is clear that the final velocity BC equal to V, and after t time, then it is clear that OC equal to T. So the distance traveled by the object here, it is clear that the OA, B and C, this is a quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral is known as the trapezium. Trapezium means here is the two sides are the parallel, one pairs are the parallel and other pairs are non-parallel. It is clear that OA parallel BC, OA parallel BC. So it is clear that this type of the quadrilateral, that is the trapezium. So area of the trapezium is same as the distance traveled by the object. So it is clear that area of the trapezium is same as the area of trapezium here. So distance traveled by the object in the velocity time graph here is same as the area of this quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral is types of the trapezium. So it is clear that S equal distance traveled by the object S equal to area of trapezium. So it is clear that we know that the area of the trapezium is equal to the sum of the parallel side and distance between them. Then area of trapezium is equal to the 1/2 sum of the parallel side and distance between them. So now here is the S equal to 1/2 sum of parallel side. In this trapezium, the parallel side is given, that is OA parallel to the BC. So sum of parallel side means OA plus BC into distance between them. So distance between them means here is the, it is clear that parallel side BC and OA, and distance between them means that is OC. So here the 1/2 OA. So the value of OA equal to, that is the initial velocity, that is U, OA equal to U, plus BC. BC is here, that is the final velocity V. So put the value of BC is here, the final velocity V, and OC. OC represent time, that is T into T. In the third equation of motion, G square equal to U square plus 2AS. So here from the help of the first equation of motion, and we know that the first equation of motion, that is V equal to U plus AT. So in this equation, the value of T is here, that is AT equal to transpose U V minus U, and the T equal to V minus U by A. So here the value of T equal to V minus U, and put the value of T equal to V minus U in the above equation, that is the first equation. So put the value of T equal to V minus U by A. Then S equal to 1/2 V plus U into V minus U by A. So here in the place of T equal to V minus U by A. Then multiply of the V plus U and V minus U. As you know that A plus B and A minus B means A square minus, the formula of identity of A square minus B square is same as the A plus B and A minus B. So in this condition, here is the V plus U and V minus U. Apply this identity rule is here. Then V plus U and V minus U becomes in the form of A square minus B square. Then S equal to 1/2, that is V square minus U square by A. So regarding to this identity rule, A square minus B square equal to A plus B and A minus B. In this situation, here is the V plus U and into another bracket V minus U. Then they are in the form of a plus b and a minus b, and it is made a square minus b square, then b square minus b square, then multiply 2a is here, then 2as equal to b square minus u square. Transpose here the u square here, then b square equal to u square plus 2as. That is the third equation of motion. The derivation of the third equation of motion by the graphical method in the following steps here. So, in the derivation of the third equation of motion, first of all, suppose that OA equal to, that is the initial velocity on the point A, that is u, and after t times he becomes in the form of final velocity on the point B with the uniform acceleration. So now the second step in this situation, that is after t time the velocity will be changed in the form of the final velocity that on the point B, that is v. So here it is clear that this type of the quadrilateral known as the trapezium, because here is the properties of this figure, that is one pair of the parallel, and in the trapezium the one pair of parallel and another pair of non-parallel. So the distance traveled by the trapezium is same as S equal to area of trapezium. So we know that the area of trapezium, formula of the area of trapezium, 1 by 2 sum of the parallel side and distance between them. So in this trapezium the parallel side is clear that OA and BC. Then 1 by 2 sum of parallel side is here OA and other is BC, then OA plus BC into distance between them, and distance between them is the parallel side BC and OA, and distance between them is clear, it is clear that the OC. So here is the OC. Then the put the value of OA is u and BC is v and OC is equal to time. So 1 by 2 v plus u into t equal to v minus u. Then from the first equation of motion, as you know that the v equal to u plus at, then at equal to v minus u and t equal to v minus u by a. So put the value t equal to v minus u by a here. Then 1 by 2 and v plus u and v minus u. This is the made by this identity. Follow this identity, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b, and this identity apply here. Then we can see that b square minus u square by a. Then transpose the u square here. Then b square equal to u square plus 2as.